Hello, this is Catherine Chadwick, Project Manager for Ballen Brands. Today I'm going to show you how to add new pages to your secondary menu. You want to be logged in to your WordPress dashboard for your BREW, and when you're logged in, you'll see this top black menu bar. We're going to go to the dashboard. And we're going to go look at the pages so you can see a page that I just created for the purpose of this visual that's called New Page. This is a page of, it's just a test. You'll see here. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to Appearance and Menus. If it's not selected, and it most likely won't be, you would select top bar menu, select from this menu, and it will populate here. Since I just created the page, I can click it here and add it to the menu. Once it's added to the menu, I can open it up and I can change what it says, what my title is, and I can add a font awesome tag here. I'll just use flag for an example. And save menu. Once that's saved, I'll be able to click on Visit Site, and I'll just open that in a new window. And you'll see that our new page option is added to the menu. Now, what if this is a page that you are getting from IDX Broker? Maybe you're getting a link from there that you want to put in. There are options to add IDX pages, categories from where you create your blogs. You can add reviews, your teams. There's different options. You can add blog post if there was a particular blog post you wanted to add to your menu. You also have the option of adding a custom link. So what I would do in that case is I would take this, copy this link, put it in here, paste it in there, add some text, and then add that to my menu. And it will the same as before. You can change the wording, add a font awesome tag, and save your menu. So I'll go over here and refresh. And there you can see I've added a new option. I would want to keep the words lower, so maybe I can keep it all on one line, but that is an example of how to add to the menu there. Hope you found this helpful. Make sure you like our video, subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and hints about your BREW and IDX Broker.